और अभी आपको बराह रास्त दिखाएंगे चीन और पाकिस्तान के दरमियान मुख्तलिफ यादाश्ती जो मुआहदे हैं उन पर दस्तखत की तकरीब जारी है।
13th Joint Cooperation Committee meeting of CPEC and the minutes of 7th Joint Working Group on Gwadar under CPEC.
下面交换的是中巴经济走廊联委会第13次会议纪要和中巴经济走廊联合工作组第7次会议纪要两份文件。
For these two, I would like to invite His Excellency Professor Ahsan Iqbal, Minister for Planning, Development and Special Initiatives of Pakistan, and His Excellency Liu Sushi, Vice Chairman, National Development and Reform Commission of China. Thank you, Excellencies. Then we have the MoU of promoting cooperation of livelihood working group of CPEC. It will be exchanged between His Excellency Luo Jiahui, Chairman, China International Development Cooperation Agency, and His Excellency Professor Ahsan Iqbal, Minister for Planning, Development and Special Initiatives of Pakistan. Thank you, Excellencies. Now we have 3 MOUs and 2 letters of exchange being exchanged between the Economic Affairs Division of Pakistan and China International Development Cooperation Agency. For this exchange, I would like to again invite His Excellency Ahad Khan Chima, Minister for Economic Affairs of Pakistan, and His Excellency Luo Jiahui. The first one being exchanged is MOU on strengthening cooperation in the field of information and communication. Second one is MOU of promoting cooperation on water conservancy facilities, flood control, and calamity reduction. The third one is on strengthening security cooperation. Fourth one is letter of exchange on human resource development under the GDI. Fifth one is letter of exchange of the assistant program of firefighting vehicles to Islamabad city. Thank you, Excellencies. Next, we have the protocol on the export of animal meat to China. It is being exchanged between the General Administration of Customs of China and the Ministry of National Food Security and Research of Pakistan. For its exchange, I would like to invite His Excellency Rana Tanveer Hussain, Minister for National Food Security and Research of Pakistan, and His Excellency Jiang Zaidong, Ambassador of the People's Republic of China to the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
有请中大的中大使和高校艺术馆交换文本。
Thank you, Excellencies.
谢谢。
Moving forward, there is MoU on supporting the construction of joint laboratories.
下面将交换的是关于共同支持联合实验室建设的谅解备忘录。
It will be exchanged between Mr. Sajid Baloch, Secretary, Ministry of Science and Technology of Pakistan, and His Excellency Jiang Zaidong, Ambassador of the People's Republic of China to the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
有请江在东大使和巴方科技部常秘萨吉德交换文本。
Thank you, Excellencies.
谢谢。
Next, we have the agreement on co-production of TV programs.
下面交换的是关于合作制作电视节目的协议。
It will be exchanged between Ms. Amreen Jan, Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting of Pakistan, and His Excellency Jiang Zaidong, Ambassador of People's Republic of China.
有请江在东大使和巴方科技部常秘和巴方科技部交换文本。
Thank you, Excellencies.
谢谢。
Lastly, I would like to formally announce the signing of the currency swap agreement between the People's Bank of China and the State Bank of China.
最后，我谨正式宣布，中国人民银行与巴基斯坦国家银行签署双边本币货款协议，协议此年已签署。
And the State Bank of Pakistan. His Excellency Premier Li Qiang and His Excellency Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, thank you for witnessing the exchange of MOUs and agreements.
感谢李强总理，感谢夏巴斯总理，感谢两位领导见证交换仪式。
This concludes the MOU signing ceremony.
交换仪式到此结束。
Excellencies, kindly proceed to your respective seats at the front row.
两位领导，请到前排就座。
नाज़रीन पाकिस्तान
आप देख रहे थे पाकिस्तान और चीन के दरमियान मुख्तलिफ शोबों में मुफाहमत की यादाश्तों पर दस्तखत की तकरीब, और ये खसूसी तकरीब वज़ीर आज़म हाउस में रखी गई है। न्यू ग्वाद इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट की तकमील की तकरीब पर भी बात हुई और बाकायदा तौर पर MOUs साइन किए गए। पाकिस्तान और चीन के दरमियान ग़ज़ाई तहफ़्फ़ुज़ के शोबे पर भी बात की गई है और दोनों मुल्कों के दरमियान मुश्तरका लेबॉर्ट्रीज़ के क़याम की मुफाहमती यादाश्त पर भी इस तकरीब में दस्तखत किए गए हैं। पाकिस्तान और चीन के दरमियान मुख्तलिफ शोबों में ताउन की मुफाहमती यादाश्तों पर दस्तखत किए गए हैं।
国夏巴兹谢里夫总理出席中国政府援建巴基斯坦瓜达尔新国际机场项目竣工仪式。
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, it is our privilege today to be joined by Premier Li Qiang of the People's Republic of China and Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan for the completion ceremony of the China-aided New Guada International Airport.
让我们用热烈的掌声对他们的到来表示欢迎。
Welcome to the leaders of the
现在我宣布竣工仪式正式开始。
The completion ceremony now begins.
首先，请观看项目的介绍视频。
We'll first present a video of the project to you.
多名来自中国与巴基斯坦的建设者汇聚在这儿，他们
实践性、溶解性土壤上交付出最高标准的坚固跑道？如何在风之门修建起抵抗超强飓风的现代化航站楼？如何应对热带高温、严寒地区空气高盐湿度的挑战？5年里，新机场见证了一系列中国技术、中国标准的积极分享。在中巴双方的关切下，在两国建设者的合力奋战下，这片荒漠一天天长出强劲国家。2024年6月4日至8日，因中华人民共和国国务院总理李强要深度合作。新疆机场集团正在与巴方初步探讨合作运营方案。此刻，新机场内，这只巨大的飞鸟正在等待起飞的指令。这座高等级现代化国际机场将有效助力巴基斯坦经济社会的发展。这一刻，如果世界将目光越过瓜达尔，还将看到整条生机勃勃的中巴经济走廊。随着原巴基斯坦瓜达尔新国际机场项目的建成，这条走廊将更加蓬勃，书写出更多促发展、惠民生、连民心的生动故事。
好，下面有请李强总理和夏巴兹总理为项目竣工揭牌。感谢李强总理和夏巴兹总理。下面有请李强总理致辞。
尊敬的夏巴兹总理，尊敬的各位来宾、女士们、先生们、朋友们，很高兴出席今天下午的这个仪式。首先，我代表中国政府对瓜达尔新国际机场的竣工致以热烈祝贺，向中巴两国建设者致以由衷的敬意，向关心支持这一项目的巴基斯坦各界朋友致以衷心的感谢。
Your Excellency Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, friends, it is my great pleasure to attend today's ceremony. First of all, on behalf of the Chinese government, I'd like to extend warm congratulations on the completion of the new Gwadar International Airport and pay high tribute to both Chinese and Pakistani workers. I would also like to express heartfelt thanks to friends from all sectors of the Pakistani society for your care and support for this project.
瓜达尔新国际机场是瓜达尔港成为地区互联互通枢纽的关键一环。中巴两国建设者用了整整5年时间， 在戈壁荒木上建造了这座现代化的高等级的国际机场，体现了中巴精诚协作的高水平。
The Guadar New International Airport is a critical step in building Guadar Port into a regional hub of connectivity. In 5 years' time, Chinese and Pakistani workers have built this modernized, high-standard international airport in the desert. What they have achieved demonstrates the strength of China-Pakistan cooperation.
我相信新机场的启用将显著地提升瓜达尔地区对外联通的水平和条件，促进港航贸一体化发展，为巴基斯坦西部地区带来更多投资机会、贸易机会。
I'm confident that the inauguration of the new airport will significantly enhance the connectivity of the Guadar region, catalyze integration of port, shipping, and trade services, and bring more investment and trade opportunities to Pakistan's western regions.
瓜达尔新国际机场也是中巴经济走廊建设进一步走向深入的重要标志。中巴经济走廊启动11年来，在双方通力协作下，已经收获显著成果，为推动巴基斯坦经济社会发展和地区一体化进程发挥了重要作用。
The Guadar New International Airport is a symbol of the deepening of CPEC development. Since its inception 11 years ago, and through the concerted efforts of both sides, CPEC has produced significant outcomes and played a positive role in Pakistan's economic and social development and also regional integration.
中方愿同巴方一道继续努力，坚持共商共建共享，开放绿色廉洁、高标准、惠民生、可持续，将中巴经济走廊打造成高质量共建“一带一路”的示范性工程。
China will continue to work with Pakistan to uphold the principle of planning together, building together, and benefiting together, engaging open, green, and clean cooperation, and pursue the goal of high standard, benefit to the people, and sustainability in order to make CPEC a model project of high-quality Belt and Road cooperation.
瓜达尔新国际机场还是我们中巴特殊关系、中巴特殊友谊的生动写照。在习近平主席和巴方领导人的战略引领下，中巴全天候战略合作伙伴关系正在不断的深化。中巴铁杆友谊经受国际风云变化的考验，独一无二，牢不可破。
Guadar New International Airport is also an epitome of the special relationship and friendship between China and Pakistan. Under the strategic guidance of President Xi Jinping and the Pakistani leadership, our all-weathered strategic cooperative partnership is constantly deepening. What we have is a unique and unbreakable, ironclad friendship that has stood the test of time, that has stood the test of changing international landscape.
面向未来，中国愿同亲密的巴基斯坦兄弟持续携手前行，加快构建新时代更加紧密的中巴命运共同体，更好地造福两国人民。
Looking into the future, China will continue to walk hand in hand with our intimate Pakistani friends and accelerate the building of a closer China-Pakistan community with a shared future for the new era and deliver greater benefits to people of both countries.
最后，衷心祝愿中巴友谊万古长青。谢谢。
To conclude, I wish China-Pakistan friendship everlasting. Thank you.
谢谢。
His Excellency Mr. Li Xiang, Premier of People's Republic of China, Honorable Mr. Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, Prime Minister of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and ni hao. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister of China for his insightful and inspiring words. Your presence here today, along with this landmark achievement, the completion of the new Gwadar International Airport, underscores the strength of our friendship, and the far-reaching impact of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor.
尊敬的李强总理，尊敬的谢里夫、夏巴兹谢里夫总理，女士们、先生们，大家好！非常感谢李强总理富有见地、鼓舞人心的致辞。您今天莅临现场，以及瓜达尔新国际机场竣工这一里程碑式的成就，彰显了中巴友谊的力量和中巴经济走廊的深远影响。
This state-of-the-art airport is not only a symbol of our nation's shared vision, but a gateway to new opportunities for economic growth and regional connectivity, particularly for the people of Gwadar and Balochistan.
这座先进的机场不仅是中巴两国共同愿景的象征，也是通往经济增长和地区连通新机遇的门户。对贝路支斯坦和瓜达尔的人民来说，尤其如此。
With that, it is now my distinct honor to invite Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, for his remarks.
下面我很荣幸的有请夏巴兹总理致辞。
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Excellency Premier Li Qiang, honorable members of Chinese delegation, honorable members of Pakistan delegation, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening. Today we have witnessed signing ceremony or exchange of MoUs between Pakistan and China in various fields of industry, agriculture, and commerce. And I have no doubt that these MoUs will shape into agreements very soon through joint efforts of both the countries.
尊敬的中巴两国代表团的成员、女士们、先生们，大家晚上好。今天我们很高兴的在这里见证两国交换了在工业、农业、商业等各个领域的合作谅解备忘录。我相信在双方的共同努力下，很快这些谅解备忘录就会成为一份又一份的合作。
Your Excellency, once again thank you for your visit to Pakistan, taking a few days out of your very busy schedule, and that is a reflection of your commitment towards promoting friendship between the two countries.
张总理阁下，再次感谢您访问巴基斯坦。那么您在如此繁忙的公务日程期间，能够抽出几天的时间到巴基斯坦进行访问，也再次展现了您对于推动中巴友好关系的重视。
We have had very comprehensive discussions during our two sessions today, and without going into any kind of repetition, let me, from the core of my heart, thank President Xi Jinping, thank you and the people of China for your generous gift in the shape of Gwadar International Airport.
刚才我和李强总理在大小范围两个场合进行了全面的交流。我不想在这里再重复刚才会谈的内容，但是我想发自内心的、由衷的感谢习近平主席和中国人民为巴基斯坦捐赠了这样一件宝贵的礼物，也就是瓜达尔新机场。
That shows your commitment and dedication to support Pakistan's economic development agenda and to promote the backward areas of Pakistan. And that is what friendship is all about. By completion of this international Gwadar airport, this will not only transform Gwadar's economy particularly, but Pakistan's economy generally.
瓜达尔新机场的竣工再次展现了中方坚定支持巴基斯坦的经济发展以及巴基斯坦欠发达地区的发展。那这就是中巴友谊的意义所在。我相信新机场的竣工和随后的投入启用，一定能够促进瓜达尔港以及整个巴基斯坦的经济转型。
This gift from our brothers from China is yet another feather in the cap of CPEC. And Your Excellency, I want to assure you that I will work with you very closely, not only to promote CPEC's second phase, but also to promote peace and security for the people of China in Pakistan, along with the people of Pakistan.
中国兄弟给予我们的馈赠，再次证明了中巴经济走廊的价值。李强总理，我要向您保证的是，中巴方愿意同中方继续紧密合作，推进中巴经济走廊升级版的建设，并且进一步维护中巴两国人民的和平与安全。
Finally, I would like to thank and appreciate the untiring efforts of Chinese engineers, workers, Pakistani engineers and workers who have made it possible to build a world-class airport at Gwadar, which will be remembered by all of us for all times to come as a gift from China to Pakistan. Long live Pakistan-China friendship.
最后，我要再次感谢中巴两国的工程人员和建设者不懈的努力，使得我们能够在瓜达尔建成这样一座世界一流的机场。我们将会永远铭记中方给予我们的馈赠。中巴友谊万岁！
谢谢。
इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट की तकमील के हवाले से तकरीब का इनेकाद किया गया है और वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ तकरीब से ख़िताब कर रहे थे और इससे कबल चीनी वज़ीर आज़म ने भी इस तकरीब से ख़िताब किया और मुख्तलिफ़ जो MoUs हैं पाकिस्तान और चीन के दरमियान जो तरक्की की जानिब लेकर बढ़ेंगे दोनों मुल्कों की, अगर पाकिस्तान के ख़ास तौर पर बात की जाए। और चीनी वज़ीर आज़म ने बात करते हुए कहा कि पाक चीन शराकत दारी वक्त के साथ साथ गहरी होती जा रही है। गवादर इलाकाई तरक्की का महवर होने के साथ साथ मजबूत दोस्ती का भी आकाश है। चीनी वज़ीर आज़म ने इस तकरीब से ख़िताब करते हुए ये कहा।